Hellcat goes hard in the paint. Let me know who else is shooting over a Hellcat. It's nobody. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G1GB Nigel back here with another video, and today we're gonna do some one-on-one shit, bro. Hey, I'm all about doing something that no one has ever done before. The way my brain be thinking, I be thinking of some crazy off-the-wall stuff. If this is your first time seeing me on the screen, please make sure you hit that sub button, drop a like, and drop a comment. Let's go. Actually got 4 new packages in today. This is something I've been wanting to do for a little minute. It's actually for my homeboy Scat Pack, but the color is something I was really highly considering, and I've already put them aside my car one time, and I don't like how they look, but I'm gonna do it again for y'all just so y'all can see what it looks like, and maybe y'all can give me a different perspective. Honestly, I don't like how it looks, and it's not something I'm kind of highly disappointed because I thought they were gonna look good. They don't look good at all. I'm about to go ahead and put these rims up against my wrap, and y'all can see the compare and contrast, and honestly, that shit's poo to me. Shit's poo, and I'm gonna let y'all see what y'all think. They are the wide body 2 bronze. Like I said, these are for my boy Scat Pack, but since they're here, you know, this is a color I was highly considering, and I put these against my car. Like I just said, and they would look terrible. All right, y'all, so we got the rims. I know it's kind of hard to see because the black is still showing, but y'all can kind of see. Let me get the right angle. I'm not feeling that. Not gonna lie. Y'all can see the back. I'm not feeling this. Now, I had posted this on TikTok, and I had a couple people say I might be onto something. I mean, if you really think about it, bro, this color is in my wrap. It's actually right here. It's actually right there, but it's just like, I don't know. It's something off. I think the black honestly looks better. So let me know what y'all think. Y'all comment below. But I don't like that. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am not messing with it. Reason being, I'm saying I honestly, from the bottom of my heart, all the way deep down in my soul, no diddy, I hate black wheels. Black wheels to me are just like another black spot, and it just takes away from the car. Now I am also thinking about going brass knuckle, no, gunmetal. Hey, coldest trash can on my wrap. I think we really might be onto something. Gunmetal on my wrap might be a better option because these right here, I don't think these are it. These are not it. They're not for me. I guess honestly, they weren't for me in the first place, but since they're here sitting in my garage, hell, why not put them against my wrap and see how they're gonna look, man? All right, y'all, so we have arrived at Clockwork Performance Training. And y'all, guess what, man? This is the facility for your one-stop shop. We got the hooping court in here, the weight room in there, and there's also a SRT in here. There is definitely an SRT in the gym, bro. Yeah, I done put my car on the court. Where they do that at, man? Who's doing this, bro? I definitely appreciate my boy Kane for letting me do some impossible one-of-one stuff here again. Who's put a Hellcat in a basketball court? Let me know. Y'all let me know. Make sure you comment down below, because I don't think there's gonna be a comment but me that has put a Hellcat inside of a basketball court. Check it out, man. Like, this is really sitting here, bro. Like, it's cool to look at this, man. Like, for surely that is really sitting on the court, bro. Swap. Y'all make sure y'all smash the like button, hit the sub button, and drop a comment, bro. I be going above and beyond to get this crazy footage, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. It only takes a couple seconds, and it's free. 0.00. It's free. Doing this, man. Nobody else is doing this, bro. We inside of a whole basketball court, bro. Like, legit, we're in a basketball court. We're in a whole sports facility. And my Hellcat just sitting here chilling. It's chilling, man. It's chilling. What's good in here, man? I really just want to leave it. really just want to leave it in here, bro. He is. I had a homeboy in here, and he was like, "Hey, man, it's an SRT in the gym." Dude was like, "Nah, it ain't." And he comes around the corner and looks, and it's definitely an SRT sitting in the gym, bro. He's like, "Well, damn. Why?" I do stuff that makes people say why. You feel me? See me shoot over there, man. I got you. I haven't hooped in forever. Just bear with me. I got you. I'm gonna hit one of these guys though. For the Hellcat. Y'all let me know who's shooting over a Hellcat. I don't think nobody else is. Y'all let me know. Yo. What up? Hey. Wait the wrist strap on. You ready? Go ahead. Hey, y'all heard that right? What's that? He's a certified white boy. Hellcat goes hard in the paint. Literally. Hellcat goes hard in the paint. 1v1, who y'all got? Hellcat or y'all got yourself? I like the Hellcat because that paint locked down. Ain't no room down here. There's no room, bro. I don't think you're gonna get a shot off. I don't think you're gonna get a shot off, man. Yeah, I like the Hellcat. I don't even like myself, bro. I like the Hellcat. Also, I gotta say big shout out to my boy. I know he had a shot early on camera. He's kind of helped me get my car in here. Just a little assistance that I needed to make sure I ain't tearing nothing up, and some couple angles and couple TikToks that I get, man. I think he's gonna mention this, but I definitely just whooped his ass in shooting, you know. Was it on camera? That never happened. Of course. See, look, now he wants to pull the camera back out, man. We're here to capture the Hellcat in the paint. Now he wants to hit me with the card of, oh, it wasn't on camera. Okay, bro. On camera, so it never happened. That boy took an L, bro. Boy took an L, fat L. He took a fat L, you know. It is what it is, bro. He don't want to admit to his fat L. It's okay, it's cool, it's whatever. Look, bro, I like the Hellcat. You want to take on the Hellcat 101 then? Yeah, so. Hellcat 101? Good luck getting the shot off, bro. The paint's locked down, bro. Yeah, nah. Paint's locked down, bro. Oh my God. Alright, y'all, man. Y'all have seen it. Y'all have seen some one-of-one shit today. Put my car inside the gym. And we're not done. We're not done. I still got something else for y'all that's gonna be coming at a later date. Y'all make sure y'all stay with me. Y'all do all the good stuff. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, y'all stay safe out here. Bless up. That was loud. God dog, man. That was loud as shit, bro. Damn.